Yeah. Again.
Oh yeah, come on out, Teddy.
I don't like it.
Is there a chip in there?
Yeah.
It shakes no harder. It's swinging again.
It's swinging.
Michael, stop goofing around. That's not funny. It's pretty long for an earthquake. I'm serious.
Yeah, but it is.
Look at the fan shaking.
Look at my heart.
Nope. I don't see anything else moving.
Yeah, these. My bed was rocking like hell.
Oh, is this wobbly?
No,
Well,
all of a sudden.
My bed, I mean, my bed was shaking.
No, I mean, I'm standing on that thing and I'm like, la 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 la, and he's like, what is wrong with you?
Ah, they're shaking more.
champagne. Oh, you feel? Oh, look at this shaking.
Yeah.
Hanging. That's not the wind.
Here, it's probably their first earthquake.
I don't think they're home, Teddy. Yeah.
Man, that's one weird earthquake.
I think they went to the bowl with other friends.
Look at the
So,
thing. I'm shaking.
look at what thing?
Oh my god.
Oh, wow.
Michael, I'm telling you, like, this is...
That was a rocker.
Put on the TV. Oh my god, it moves again.
Oh
I feel
no.
like I'm on a boat.
That's not right.
No.
Dad, turn on the TV.
Dad.
Teddy.
Let me do it, you don't
Turned
know.
On. It's not coming on.
That's because, well, it's coming on. I mean, the blue light's on. Oh, you just turned
This
it
was
off.
pretty strong, guys. I mean, this was like...
It probably, you know what? It hit really hard somewhere else in the epicenter, and it just shook the basin like crazy.
It's shaking again?
Yeah, I mean, that's got to be somewhere far away. But it was huge, probably. I don't know, but that's what it seems like.
That's what it
Because
seems like.
it wouldn't shake like this
like
if it wasn't something from far away and it shook the basin.
And then you get the
Yeah.
ripple effect.
It's not coming on. It may have been affected. Here.
Yeah, some probably big places hit really hard. But just, here, let me check on mine. Oh, Jesus, I'm scared.
You know what?
I can't believe I got that on tape!
We felt that your cousin jumped into a pool. Your cousin jumped into a
Look at that.
In London, we felt the reverberations all the way through here.
It's shaking again.
But I have felt many earthquakes. This was a very weird one because it was like this. Like this. You know what I mean? You're like wobbling like this. It's not the other ones where
Well, yeah, it hit the basin. Why isn't the TV working? That's not. See, it hit somewhere where it affected the communication.
Right.
April, what is 3rd?
Uh-huh.
Earthquake.
Let's go to earthquake.com.
Yep. Oh no. Whoa. Okay, no. Why does that show earthquakes?
No, you know why I felt so nervous? Because it was like this.
Yeah, I was sitting on my
Like
bed
this.
and it was just like vibrating and
No, but it was
scared
like this, you know, when you're on a boat and you start getting like nauseated.
God.
You know, usually they're like this.
Yeah, where do I go? Recent earthquakes.
Go earthquake Los Angeles.
Oh, but, well, it wasn't.
Earthquake Los Angeles. Okay, that's it.
It's probably not showed up yet.
Okay, go to channel 7 news. 7 news. Okay, go on there. Click. No, this is not channel. Go channel 11, Los Angeles. Channel 11, Los Angeles. Okay, click. Fox News. They should bring that because the news. This is the main news channel.
Mm-hmm.
You get the TV on?
No.
Whoa! Oh no, that's a 4 dead. I thought that was destruction.
You. This is here on the corner, right?
Yeah. Somewhere around
Okay, go to where's the news?
there. National news. I don't think it hit LA. I mean, I think it hit somewhere else. And I just shook the basin or...
Yeah, but they should still be. We cannot believe that it still hasn't gone on.
Maybe my dad didn't turn it on correctly. Yeah, he just didn't turn it on correctly.
He didn't turn it on correctly?
Oh, no, it's not true. Oh.
I'll bet you he didn't turn it on correctly.
No, I did. I just redid it. That's so weird. I mean, this is still wobbling.
I mean, come on, they bring a fucking cat that has diarrhea in West Covina. They're so stupid.
Man, that's weird. I'm gonna go ask some friends if they felt that.
But I felt it right away.
Yeah, my bed was shaking like crazy. Oof. Oh, and the whole Modern Warfare connection is down.
What is that?
I can't even connect on the online playing. One sec. Let me just...
It's not every day that you get to experience an earthquake. I think we should open another bottle of champagne.
No, Dad. Okay.
Here, I got it.
Oh, what was it?
It was 6 point...
Oh my God. Oh, where?
6.9?
6?
Baja California. Huge.
Baja, that's so far away.
Yeah, that's why I shook the basin, Dad, and that's why our TV's out, because something got busted.
Yeah, something got busted somewhere. Oh my God, look at this!
What?
Look at this!
Oh, yeah.
That's cool! It's Sky West and Crooked! That's
Wow.
funny.
I should submit this into the news. I don't know, they like video.